Good morning, kids. I hope you have enjoyed the story The Fair Share, being fair, and you have learnt a lesson that we should always be fair to others. We should have fair game. We should share our things equally with our friends, with our near and dear ones. So today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start, children. What are the things you share with your friend? Tick them. So, do you see eraser, fruit, pencil, crayons, scale, cake and a toy, a basket full of toys? What are the things that you do not like to share? Have you ever thought about it? Why? So now you need to think, children, that what you like to share with your friends and what you don't like to share with your friends and why you don't like. Okay, think about it from all these items which are there in on your page 40. See what you don't like to share and think on that. Okay, so let's start with words to know. Puzzled, confused, hovering, hanging, fair, doing the right thing, fell face, face fell, sorry, to look unhappy, थोड़ा sad हो जाना, arrive, to reach a place, gulp, to eat or drink quickly. Sometimes we do that na, if we have an ice cream and if our brother or sister is asking for it, we eat very fast so that we can finish the ice cream. Yes, that means gulp, we are just gulping it. Offered, to give, and offered means to share it with others. Now be mindful. When you wake up in the morning, follow these simple steps. The first thing, to stay happy and mindful throughout the day. Step 1, wake up. Step 2, sit on your bed. Step 3, cup your hands and massage them over your face. So put your hands on your face. Step 4, bring your hands together and say thank you. So we should say thank you to God for showing us a new day, a beautiful day. Step 5, smile. Step 6, stretch. And step 7, start your day. Yes, so do these when you get up in the morning, okay, and see, you will have a very nice and happy day. Now question and answers. Did Ella like losing the game? No, she did not like losing the game. Why did Ella not wanted to play anymore? Ella did not wanted to play anymore because she was losing the game. She was still in the 20s and Jack was on 90s, so she was losing the game. How many cookies did Ella took for herself? She took 10 cookies. How did Jack feel when he saw Ella take more cookies than him? Jack was little sad, but he did not say anything. What did Ella do to make Jack feel better? So when Ella saw that Jack did not have much cookies, so Ella offered one cookie to him. Now complete the sentences. Jack and Ella were cousins. The two children played together till snack time. Ella was losing the game. The children had a glass of milkshake each. Mother brought 10 cookies for the children. Ella shared her cookies fairly. Now we have circled the correct sentence from the story. Ella and Jack always fought? No, they did not. They liked playing with each other. Jack got angry when Ella did not share the cookies fairly? No, Jack did not get angry. Jack was little sad. Ella felt bad that she had been greedy? Yes, Ella realized it and then she offered Jack a cookie. Then we have Ella didn't like losing to Jack. Yes, Ella was getting irritated when she was losing. The children shared the cookies equally. Yes. The game was over. Yes, and once they shared the cookie, they both went and started playing and finished the game. Now write opposite of the words given below. Win, lose, equal, unequal, kind, unkind, fair, unfair. Now subject connect, children. So in subject connect today we have maths. Solve the sum given below. So now there are two children are sharing 5 brownies. How much did each children get? So how many children we have? 2. And how many brownies we have? 5. So there are 2 children and 5 brownies. So we will divide 5 brownies by 2 children. So each will get 2.5. That means 2.5 brownie. Now there are 3 children and 4 brownies. How much did each children get? Now the children are 3 and the brownies are 4. So we will divide 4 by 3 and see how much each children get. They would get approximately 1.5 or 1 point, a little bit more than 1.5. Now 4 children are sharing 6 brownies. How much did each children get? So now we have 4 children, 6 brownies. Divide 6 by 4, you will get 1.5. That means 1.5 brownie to each children. Okay, so do this Maths Connect, children, when you have time. Practice it, it will help you on your math subject. Now value for life. I had a box of crayon, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke into 2. My friend said she's sorry, but I said I don't care, cause now we both can use the same crayon that we can share. Yes, so very nice. See how nicely they are sharing their crayons. So now this boy gave a crayon to one of her friend and she broke it. So the boy is saying, I am not angry or I am not unhappy. It is good, now we have 2 crayons and we can use the same crayons and we can share and color it. Now we have an activity for you, children. Color the picture with the clue given in the box. Write the name of the value mentioned on each color in the picture below. One is done for you. So now do you see the colors there? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, grey and white. All these colors have a value written in front of them. So yellow says honesty, green says hard work, grey says caring, violet says respect, orange says kindness, indigo says courtesy, blue says punctuality, red says sharing and white says friendship. Now do you see numbers written in this picture below? You need to color it according to the number. So let's do what we do. Number 5. Number 5 says, what is 5? Yellow. Yellow means honesty. So we need to color this yellow. Okay. Number 7 says red. Red is sharing. So color the first rainbow into red. Like this, color the picture with the values and then write the values. Okay, children. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you have learned the value of being fair and sharing your things with your friends. I will see you in the next class with one more new story. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.